What's going on, guys? So this video is going to be a little tutorial on how you can help boost your search engine optimization with Google Trends. If you're looking to get more views on YouTube, you definitely want to check out Google Trends as a way to help find what's trending, what people are searching for on YouTube as well as Google, because Google owns YouTube. So there definitely is a connection between the Google algorithm and the YouTube algorithm. So if you've never used Google Trends, you're definitely going to want to check this out. So Google Trends is a completely free search engine optimization, or SEO, for a variety of different things. You can use this for eBay, you can use this for your websites, you can use this for certainly YouTube. So we're going to use it for YouTube today and see how we can connect what's being searched on Google versus what's being searched on YouTube. So when you click on Google Trends, to the top left is going to be your menu. You have the home page. You can explore keyword searches there, or you can check out what's trending right now as we speak. So this is the Google Trends homepage. So as you can see, there's a quick glance kind of tutorial that can help you kind of get going, and it shows what's trending and where it's trending in terms of region, world, etc. So let's just start off with something that you might be considering for a YouTube video. So let's say you're doing a breakdown of the NFL playoffs, this sort of key phrase. I can see, how it's trended over time. Now, the NFL playoffs aren't going to be trending in May or August. They'd be trending around late December, early January. So we'd want to adjust our filter to maybe the past 7 days. You could even do the past hour or 4 hours as an option as well. So the way it's broken down is a scale from 0 to 100. 100 means peak popularity, and 0 means there's not enough data. You can also drag your cursor over the different chart areas to see the popularity. But the purpose of Google Trends is it gives you, some sort of idea as to how popular it is via Google. Another reason Google Trends is beneficial, the Google keyword searches here can also link YouTube videos that you've used the same keywords in. So that's another, thing you want to consider, is using Google keywords as well as the YouTube keywords so people can find your videos through Google. Let's check YouTube to see the popularity on YouTube with that same keyword search. So this is just the free version of VidIQ, and it gives you a little bit of an overview snapshot. All right, another way to officially utilize the Google Trends is to see what's trending. So you can click on trending searches, and you have 3 tabs here. You have the daily search trends, that's the overall body of searches for 24 hours. And then you have the real-time stuff that's really hot in terms of being searched right now. Typically, you're going to have news stories and sports stuff for the real time, but check out things that are trending on here and see if any of these match your channel's content, and see if you can make some sort of video that deals with some of these potential keyword searches. You also can switch the countries over here. So if you're not located in the United States, you can simply change it to whatever country you're in so that you can better align to the searches in your countries. Google Trends really is going to help you determine a topic and potentially some keywords. You're going to then have to figure out the YouTube keywords by sort of using these SEO tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy, and kind of play around with the actual phrasing of the keywords for the video, but it gives you information as to whether there's people actually out there searching. So Google Trends is going to help you determine whether there's interest in the topic. It shows you region-wise. It also shows you other related topics. So it kind of shows you other things that are trending that are associated with the topic. It's definitely something you can use, and you can sort of plug in your information here to tweak the keywords and create videos that are going to rank high. And you might be able to use some of these for YouTube so that you can actually rank higher in your search videos and sort of play on trending topics. All right, so definitely something to consider when creating YouTube videos, or if you're not sure what your next video should be, check out Google Trends to try to get some ideas on things that are trending, and then double check your keywords on YouTube to see if they're being searched there. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.